Hi everybody, today we're gonna see in this tutorial how the cursor works. So, first of all, let's check how it works when I insert something. So, when I insert the elements from catalog. Okay, look, when I insert the first base unit, it goes right here. Will go right here. So, insert from catalog, base units, regular, okay, go on, 60, and so on. Okay, as you see, the base unit goes from the left to the right in this area of the cursor. If I put another item, it will go right there. Okay, so if I want to go to this other side, so not clockwise but counterclockwise, I have to just rotate from here the direction of inserting the objects without turning the cursor. So from catalog, base unit, left hinged. So as you see, I go counterclockwise. Be careful that a lot of times happens that if I want to go counterclockwise, so I return default clockwise, so to the left, from the left to the right, you don't have to do like this, because the object will go right here. As you see. So if you want to go to the other side, you just have to leave the cursor like this and rotate the way to insert the objects. So this is the first thing. The second feature you will use a lot is how to move the objects. So there are mainly three different ways to move the objects. The first is to drag from the center of the mouse, and you will see that by clicking on the center of the objects, it doesn't move because I always have to go here from the center of the cursor. Look, if I have the cursor right there, I won't move the object by clicking like this. I will always move it by going here. So this is the first way to move it. The second way, it's very simple, and the most used one is to take one edge of the base unit and a second edge where to move the object. So when I see the target here, it means that I'm catching an edge and I can move the object right there. Be careful that if I have the cursor there and I move the object, it happens like this, goes like this. So I want to move it there, I have to catch this edge and click there, and then deselect. Third method is by inserting a value. So when you see these arrows, right click on the center of the mouse, of the cursor, and you have these three coordinates, these three axes. So the X is always the direction of the cursor. So if I move 100 on the direction of the cursor, I will move it like this. If I move it 100 with the cursor turned like this, it will go like this. Obviously, if I put less 100, it will go to the left. Okay. So this is the first thing. Second thing is that y is always the height. So if I want to move something in the height, look, from the front view, y 100, okay, and it goes higher. Less 100 goes lower. Okay. The z is the other axis. So look, x is this, z is this. So this is how the cursor works.